everyone, it's Hanny. The other day I made a few Christmas cards with my, well, there should be another one. Well, here, oh no, here are four. A few Christmas cards with the digital backgrounds I made. And these I made on the computer. They are not ready yet, but well, I glued them on cards. I made this on the computer and I glued this on card. But these are printed papers, Christmas background papers, and well, there were a few scraps left from those papers. Oh, this is not the one. You see? A few scraps left. And from those scraps I made this. I will put them off so you can see them better. Embellishments on paper clips. You see? I will zoom in a bit. Make more light. I made these well, paperclip embellishments, which you can well, when you have a pocket or a page or something, you just can't put them on. Now this stucks a bit like so. And how I made them? Well, I made a few patterns, and I will put a description or a link in the description below. These are the patterns I made, and you can, when you follow that link, you can download it for free. So you have a few well, this is the Christmas, yes, this is this little guy. So you can make them yourself with scraps. And how I do it, well, I make one. Which one shall I make? The little boot. I make the little boot. Well, I show you how I made one, and then you can make your own. So what I do is I take this template, and I have to have another scissors, and I'm going to glue it on a little piece of, if that's big enough, that's not big enough, well, maybe I have another piece. This piece could do it too. So I will glue it on that piece of paper. I can, now what I'm a bit confused, sorry. The first thing I will do is, well, there is a score line there, and I take, what do I take? Well, I can use my scissors. I will score that line, like so, fold it, and then I'm going to cut this out. Well, I don't have to really, because you can cut it out when you glued it on, but well, so you have only cut it once. So I cut it out, the little boot, and then I can do two things. I can glue it on and I can trace. Well, I just have to trace half. Oh. Yes, I have to trace half of it, because I'm going to score that line again. That line. And I'm repeating the process. Where's my scissors here? Little score line. Fold it. Cut it out. You don't have to be precise. It doesn't have to be exact the same. Like so. And now I have my little boot. Now I have to have a paper clip. Well, I have a pink one here. And I can, when you have a paper clip, you have the long side and the open side. Well, I take the long side, the long edge, and just put that through and bend it like so. Now I will glue it. And it should fit exactly. Like so. And well, there are a few things you can decorate the little boot, and I decorated it with a piece of cotton, a little piece of cotton. I glue that on this side. And you can glue it on the other side too, but I only do it on one side. Just glue it on. Cut it a bit so it will fit. And if you don't think it's not enough, well, you glue something more on it. I think it can use a bit more. Like so. Let it dry, and then I inked the edges. Where here? I inked the edges a bit with plain black. You can do that before, of course, before you put the cotton on. And what I did was get some varnish, a little bit of varnish. I have to have a brush, a little brush. Come on, I have a little brush, I hope. Well, this is a very little brush, but a bit of varnish. Well, I will do the back too. Like so. Well, now it has to dry. Like so. And I put some rhinestones, how do we call those things, on it. Some little rhinestones, in this case a few little stars. If I can get it off without spoiling all my stars. No, I have opened. And now I will, this is fabric glue too, in an fine tip applicator. So I will put some dots here and there. Pick up the rhinestones, I hope. A few. The little stars. Glue them on. This is a pencil I bought somewhere. I have no idea what pencil it is because I can't read Chinese. I'm sorry. But it's a pick-up pencil. I used that when I made miniatures a few years ago. I made that for years. So you have to pick up very tiny stuff sometimes. So I used this pencil for that. And now I use it for my stones. So a few little stars. You can decorate it in a different way, of course. So I will dry the whole thing again. It's dry now. It's a bit hot. So I will cut that a bit off. Bit like so. Well, and then this is my little boot. I hope you can see it. It's fun to do. You can use little scraps, any scraps you want, to make those beautiful. Well, I think they are beautiful. Beautiful paperclip embellishments. That's it. Like I said, I put a link somewhere, maybe in that corner or in the description below on YouTube, maybe on both places, but I will put a link to the templates so you can download them. Well, thank you for watching. Bye!